In this video, we are going to fix the 0x8024200d Windows Updater. Now, without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. So the first solution that you need to do is you need to consider on the uninstalling for antivirus program. So if you have a third-party antivirus that is running in your PC, please uninstall it because that may hinder your Windows update. Okay, so once you have uninstalled it, try to run the Windows update again and check if it's working. Okay, however, if not, then we need to proceed to the next solution, and that is the reset Windows update components. So I want you to copy the code that I have given at the YouTube description. Once you have copied it, please paste it here at the notepad. Then you need to go with file, go with saved as, and then please select the desktop as your location and then please rename it. So in my case, I'll be setting wuufix.bat. So make sure that you have added an extension for that bat. Once done, please click on save and click on yes. And once you've closed it, you need to proceed to the .bat file that you have created. Make a right click and then you need to go with the run as administrator. Okay, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. Please wait until this process would be finished, and once you are done, try to run the Windows update again and check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to proceed to the next solution, and that is we need to run the system scanning. So by that, here at the search box, please type for CMD. Once you've typed it, wait until you can see a best match, which is the command prompt system. And once you have seen it, please navigate here at the right side and click on the Run as Administrator. So click on it. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So please type for SFC /scan now. Then click on the enter key in your keyboard. Wait until this would be finished. It will take some time, maybe 5 minutes. Okay. Please wait. And then once you have completed the process, restart your computer. And once you have restarted it, check if the problem has been fixed. Try to run the Windows update again and check if it's working. Now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day.